Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to clean large glass mirrors, windows, anything basically that, it's a struggle for your reach. If you're short or if you have, a disability or something like that you want to get your mirrors clean or your windows clean. So there's two things that we're using with this Mr. Siga, which is a 6-pack of these cloths that are specifically designed for basically cleaning basically microfiber type things. So it's ultra fine. It's really good for cleaning mirrors and for windows and things like that. It comes in a 6-pack. They're about $2 per, basically per cloth, and there's 6 of them things. So it's about $12 to $14 for this. Then we're going to use spray weight. This is glass cleaner. So I know people swear by Windex. This is streak free though. So sometimes with Windex, even though they say streak free, this glass cleaner is better. It's foaming action, it's ammonia free, so you can use it on a bunch of different stuff. And basically it's really good for this, and it has kind of a better spray reach for it, and it's foaming. This is cheap. You can get it at Walmart, a couple bucks, $2-3 for a can. There's a lot in this thing because it's heavy, so it's a heavy can of it. So anyway, let me show you how to do it quick, and then the other thing, this is the way to do it where you don't have a good reach. So either a Swiffer, a smaller Swiffer is going to be a lot better. This is what we use for our floor cleaner, but we like it because it's really wide because it's a floor cleaner. But it's really lightweight, obviously because it's a floor cleaner, it has this extra thing that you wouldn't have, but basically a cheap Swiffer will do it, and what we're going to do is we're going to basically spray it and we're going to clean. And the nice thing is you can see the reach I have, right? So you can see the reach I have with this. And we're just going to use this to really clean the mirror once we spray it. And so that's what gives you kind of a longer reach. So if you have any kind of disability or things like that where you can't reach it. My wife, I find, trying to reach the top of the mirror, she can't reach it. She's short, she's doesn't have any vertical reach to her. So this works really good for your windows inside and out as well. If you're cleaning those front door glass things or whatever, get a smaller Swiffer so it can get in and maneuver a little bit more, but it works really well. So let's show you how to do it. Step 1, you're going to use your spray cleaner, and you're going to foam it. And you can see it's got a decent reach to it. I can foam all the way up to the top. I don't have to be very close. I'm going to do the whole thing. And we like this a lot because for one, when our boys are brushing their teeth, they can't seem to stop getting the toothpaste everywhere. So we want to make sure that we want to get all that toothpaste off. And so you can see that we're going to really give this a good cleaning and get all of those. I don't know how they get toothpaste at the top of the mirror. I don't know what they're doing to make that happen, but they are. And you can basically see I oversprayed it here, so it's coming down towards the bottom a little bit more, which is fine because I want my countertops clean too. So I'm going to get those nice and clean, and this will work really well for that as well. Like I said, a smaller Swiffer is going to be even better for it. Then what I'll do is that you can see I just secured mine with some, you can secure it with whatever you want. I use some old hair ties. My wife's got hair ties everywhere. So I use some old hair ties for it. And then when I'm done here, I'm just going to basically take this off and I'm going to wipe everything down where I can reach it a lot better. And the top of the mirror is nice and clean. And it's really easy to do. So it's, everybody's got a Swiffer in their house now. So you can use anything. Like I said, I use our floor cleaner for it. And then I can just wipe down the extra stuff on the bottom here where I oversprayed and I'm getting some stuff kind of rolling down from the thing. I can just wipe that down real quick. Okay, so I probably oversprayed it a little bit and that sort of thing. So another thing you can do just to get that extra streak free is just to swap it out with, after you basically scrub it down with one of your nice cloths, and you soak up some of that spray, the spray, put a drier one on, go back over it. And you can see it's streak free. It really works well, and it's a pretty simple thing to do. Plus, if you have reach challenges or your back hurts or you have issues, it's a great thing to actually use to actually clean inside mirrors, windows. If you want to clean your own windows, things like that, having that little extra reach really helps. So if this helps you, put a link in the description below for the products that we showed you today. So Sprayway and the Mr. Siga cloths. And if any Swiffer will do, we don't have to put a Swiffer in a link to the description below. Any Swiffer or floor cleaner or anything that will work for you, it's nice and lightweight for you, would be great. And if this really helped you, throw me some super thanks. So a bunch of you have started doing that. I really appreciate it. It helps me kind of just fund and do this channel as much as I can. So I appreciate all you do. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our videos. Thanks.